HIIT Workouts. The enthusiasm surrounding HIIT Workouts is still strong, and for good reason. Not just Joe Wicks, though. But it's fair to give him the credit for popularizing it. Not only can you exercise quickly and effectively without the expense or hassle of going to the gym, but you can also work up a strong sweat. Particularly if you just become a parent or have a full day of meetings. A HIIT workout is what? High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a type of interval training that consists of short bursts of extremely intense activity, followed by rest intervals or periods of lower-intensity exercise. It delivers the same health advantages as low and moderate intensity aerobic workouts in a lot less time and has been shown to increase metabolism and build strength. Basically, both the aerobic and anaerobic systems are more affected by high-intensity interval training. If you have just 5 minutes, even if you don't have much time, a quick at-home workout can help you decompress and rev up your metabolism. See micro HIIT workouts, which can last anywhere from 3 to 20 minutes. Not persuaded? Let's discuss Tabata exercise. Researchers studying physical fitness, led by the Japanese scientist Dr. Izumi Tabata, found that pushing yourself as hard as you can for 20 seconds and then resting for 10 seconds repeatedly for 4 minutes actually results in greater fitness gains than sloshing around on your mat for an hour. Always remember, a short workout is better than no workout at all. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.